Hello, my name is Marisa Louise and welcome to the MS Biotech Lab. I am proud to say I'm not just a technician here, I'm also a proud graduate of this program. Today, I'm going to give you a behind-the-scenes look at the advanced equipment we use and how this lab helps prepare students for real-world careers in biomanufacturing. This lab is designed to mirror the kinds of facilities you'll find in the biomanufacturing industry. Our students train hands-on with cutting-edge equipment, everything from large-scale bioreactors to purification and quality control tools. Take this biosafety cabinet, for example. It's the same kind of system used by major biotech companies. Students here don't just read about it, they operate it, troubleshoot it, and learn exactly how it functions in a real production environment. Many of our students go straight into industry jobs after completing the program. The skills that they gain here are immediately transferable to the workforce. When our industry partners visit, they're consistently impressed by the level of sophistication in our lab. They often tell us that this setup is exactly what they use in their facilities, and our students are ready to hit the ground running. As someone who has started where these students are now, I know how crucial this experience is. As someone who has worked in multiple biomanufacturing environments, I can confidently say that what students learn here truly reflects what is going on in the environments in the real world. This isn't just a classroom, it's a launchpad. Whether you're looking to start your career or advance it, the MS Bio Lab gives you the tools, the training, and the confidence to succeed in today's biotech industry. To explore further details about our MS Biotechnology and Bioinformatics program, please visit go.csuci.edu/ms-biotech or contact us at 805-437-2748.